Welcome to our channel. Today, we look at how the biopharma industry is changing as Chinese companies drive a new wave of global value creation through spin-off entities known as NewCos. What is a NewCo? A NewCo is a newly formed, independent company created by spinning off specific drug development assets from an existing biopharmaceutical company. These entities are typically incorporated offshore and are backed by global venture capital. The strategy allows the parent company to retain partial ownership while enabling faster regulatory advancement and greater financial upside through equity participation. Although the NewCo model has been adopted globally, China has embraced it with distinctive momentum over the past 3 years. Notably, US-based 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗦𝗘 NewCo jointly formed by Roivant and Pfizer was acquired by Roche for $7.1 billion. Demonstrating the model's scalability and high return potential. Why is the NewCo model booming in China? From 2022 to 2025, a growing number of Chinese biotech companies have adopted the NewCo strategy as a global market access engine. The motivations are strategic and structural. Global capital unlock. Chinese companies gain access to deep US and European venture capital markets. Equity participation. Parent companies typically retain a 20 to 30% equity stake in the NewCo, enabling long-term value realization. Regulatory acceleration. NewCos, often headquartered in the US or EU, benefit from expedited FDA and EMA approval pathways. Premium M&A positioning. Offshore incorporation and global management teams increase the likelihood of high-value exits. Reputation and credibility. Association with global VCs and executive talent enhances trust and visibility in Western markets. What economic value has been created to 𝗚𝗚𝗢𝗚𝗘𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗛? Between 2022 and 2025, the Chinese NewCo model has demonstrated substantial economic impact. Around $375 million in upfront cash has been secured across a range of deals. Over $2.4 billion in performance-based milestones have been structured, contingent on clinical and regulatory progress. More than $1.1 billion in equity capital has been raised through offshore NewCos backed by international VCs. The most notable exit to date was Aiolos Bio, which was acquired by GSK for $1 billion. The deal notably involved minimal operational involvement from its Chinese parent Hengrui, highlighting the strategic and financial autonomy of NewCos. Top 5 Chinese NewCos deal highlights to 𝗚𝗚𝗢𝗚𝗘𝗧𝗏. We examine the top 5 Chinese NewCos highlighting key deal terms and investors. Windon Bio 2025, backed by 5AM Ventures, Abingworth, Bain Capital, and Venrock. Upfront payment of $17 million and up to $950 million in milestones. Verdiva Bio 2025, backed by 5AM Ventures, Forbion, and General Atlantic. Upfront payment of $15 million and up to $842 million in milestones. Candid Therapeutics 2024, backed by 5AM Ventures, Versant, Venbio, and TGOK. Upfront funding of $50 million and up to $575 million in milestones. Bio 2022, backed by Aiolos Bio, 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗦𝗡, and NewCo. Upfront payment of $10 million, $575 million in milestones, and equity investment. 𝗚𝗟𝗢𝗕 Medicines January 2025, backed by Morgenthaler Capital, and for SC, upfront payments of $5 million and up to $600 million in milestones, along with equity ownership. Strategic takeaways. Chinese NewCos reveal critical strategic levers. First, global capital access is significantly expanded. Second, equity upside is preserved. Third, clinical de-risking and acceleration are achieved. Fourth, reputation enhancement is built in. However, challenges remain, including cross-border IP ownership risks, potential misalignment of governance structures, the need for clear exit pathways, and exposure to Western capital market cycles. Moreover, the strategy hinges on management independence and shielding the NewCo from Chinese bureaucratic influence. Conclusion: the Chinese NewCo model signifies a new era in biotech globalization, blending Chinese R&D strength with global capital and management expertise to forge high-value, globally competitive companies. This innovative approach has already yielded significant returns and is poised to become a key driver of value creation in the years ahead. Thank you for watching.